Hello everyone. So it's time today for the new Kotobee release 1.8.16. In today's release, we have 4 new features. While it's a minor release, it's very crucial and important for anyone using Kotobee. So let's get started right away. So for the first feature, now we can add image URLs to image galleries. Previously, we were just able to browse, upload images from our machines or download free images from the internet. Right now, I can just paste the image URL here, click on create, and here it is. We've created a gallery from image URLs. For the second feature, it's a very important feature for accessibility. We've added new keyboard shortcuts. So if I click on Ctrl M, I'm actually creating a new chapter. If I click on Ctrl Shift I, I'm adding or inserting a new image. If I click on Ctrl Shift V, I'm inserting a new video. And finally, if I click on Ctrl Shift A, I'm inserting a new audio file. And if I click on Ctrl Shift Q, I'm adding a new question set. Very useful feature. Now, the third feature, you might have noticed it already. We've changed the default book cover and added a new one. This is how it looks like inside Kotobee Author. So if you don't add your own book cover, this is how it will look like inside your library and your cloud ebook as well. For the fourth and last feature, we're now supporting Android 14 API level 34. With this new update, we ensure a better performance, new features as it's supported on the latest Android devices. This is it for today. Thank you for listening. I hope you can get the most out of this update and see you in the next release.